What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. Today I'm going to make for you a corn and oil cocktail. This cocktail hails from Barbados, and it is kind of a little bit like, it's a classic mix of Caribbean flavors. I'm not exactly sure what year it dates back to. It is definitely a staple of that region. And it's kind of similar to a Dark and Stormy, but you just don't get the spicy kick from the ginger. Obviously, the oil is going to be a reference to the Blackstrap Rum that's in it. That's all I got for you on it, so let's just get into it. So the first thing we're going to do is 10 dashes of Angostura bitters. And then we're going to do 1 wedge of lime. We're going to do ½ an ounce of Falernum. So we're using velvet Falernum. 3/4 of an ounce of Smith & Cross rum. Wow. 1 ounce of a Cruise on Blackstrap Rum. We're going to give it a muddle. We are going to add our ice. We are going to grab a spoon and we are going to stir it. I'm not really sure what more to say about this other than tasting through it in a minute, but all of the ingredients are either rum or rum based. The velvet Falernum is a liqueur made out of rum and spices, so you get this nice, other than the Angostura bitters, which is that much Angostura bitters is going to provide a little bit of spice, but it'll be nice to see whether or not the Angostura kind of plays through the dark rum, the Blackstrap, which I feel like would be an overpowering flavor. Either way, this is a great cocktail. I feel like we're sufficiently chilled now. Let's taste it. That is very pleasant. I didn't go, oh yeah, like you guys were expecting me to. The lime provides the acidity. You get the Falernum and the Blackstrap are going to be the most prevalent flavors. But the Smith & Cross, which is a nice funky rum, I feel like it's playing in there. And it's also, at 114 proof, Smith & Cross is pretty hefty stuff. So, I would be kind of careful with this one. But this is like, you get those, just straight up burnt sugar, followed by the acidity and the tartness of the lime and the sweetness of the Falernum. Let me see if I can detect the Ango in there. The Ango is probably right on the front, and it's obviously playing in there. It's 10 dashes, so there you go. 1 corn and oil.